Hello students, today we start the class with the 6th unit prose. See, the title of the prose is On the Rule of the Road, which was written by A.G. Gardiner. Okay, so the title of the lesson is On the Rule of the Road. I hope you can understand the title. Okay, we have to follow the rules of the road. For example, author has taken one incident, and from this what he is coming to say we will see. Okay, and very short lesson, only one page it has, and very important message that author is going to give us. So listen the class and it will be too easy. We will see the lesson. Okay, before enter into the lesson, just I want you to know about what is the difference between personal freedom and private, I mean public liberty. Okay, you have to know about the difference between the personal liberty and public liberty. Liberty, you know very well. What do you mean by liberty? Liberty means freedom. Okay, freedom. For example, I say personal liberty na nammaloda freedom enna. Okay, we can dress as our wish, right? We can eat as our wish, right? What food we want to take, we can take, and at what time we want to take, we can take that also. Okay, what dress, what food, in our home, whatever you want to do, you can do. Okay, that is our personal liberty. That personal liberty, it won't be harm anybody. ஓகே, நான் இந்த ட்ரெஸ் பண்ணுறதுனால உனக்கு என்ன வருத்தம்? இது யாரையும் ஹார்ம் பண்ண போகிறது கிடையாது. நான் இந்த ஃபுட் சாப்பிட்றதுனாலையும் இட் இஸ் நாட் கோயிங் டு ஹார்ம் எனிபடி. ஓகே, நான் ராத்திரி 12 மணி வரைக்கும் முழிச்சாலும் there is no trouble to anyone, right? This is personal liberty. At the same time, what do you mean by public liberty? Public liberty, our liberty should not harm others, should not harm others' liberty. For example, can we enter others' home at any time? Okay, we are living in freedom India. Okay, at the same time, அதுக்காக freedom வாங்கிட்டோம், நம்ம எங்க வேணா போகலாம், யார் வீட்டுக்குள்ள நுழையலாம்னு can we enter in others' home at any time? It is not possible. Okay, and what else? Road rules follow பண்ணாம we can walk ashar wish, can we walk? It is a public liberty. If we do like that, it will affect others' liberty also, and that end at the conclusion that finally what it will bring a great confusion. Alright, so just first you should know about the difference between personal liberty and public liberty. This is the message, this is the theme, and we are going to see in this lesson. As a student, you have to know about the difference between personal freedom and public liberty. Okay, keep this in mind. With this mood, you just follow me. Right, my dear students? Okay. And I'll start the lesson. That A.G. Gardiner, he has started the lesson with one small example. Okay, I'm going to read the lesson. Follow me. A stout old lady was walking with her basket down the middle of a street in Petrograd, to the great confusion of the traffic and with no small peril to herself. Okay, that author has started the lesson. There is a stout old lady. Okay, and she is walking with her basket in the middle of the road. Okay, middle of the road, that all the vehicles, that 4-wheeler, 2-wheeler, everything is going on. Okay, all the vehicles are going. In that she just walking with her basket in a very relaxed way. Okay, and if she go like that Petrograd is the name of the place. Okay, she is walking in this place Petrograd, to the great confusion of the traffic with no small peril to herself. If the old lady is doing like this, it will bring a great confusion, as well as it will bring danger to her also. Peril means a risk, danger. Okay, danger to her also, isn't it? So எதையுமே புரிஞ்சிக்காம she just wants to walk in the middle of the road. All the vehicles are going. Okay, Okay, what is the result of this? It will create a big problem. Okay, and she may meet the accident also. See next. And it was pointed out to her that the pavement was the place for pedestrians. Okay, the people in that street, the people in that area, they are insisting her, ma'am, this is not a pedestrian's place. What do you mean by pedestrian? A man or else woman walks on the street. Okay, that walkable, நடந்து போறாங்க இல்லையா அவங்க தான். These people are called as pedestrians. Okay, ma'am, this is not a place for pedestrians. That while crossing the road, you might have seen. Okay, you might have seen that symbol abhi line white la they put there only we have to cross the road, right? So that is you have to use that place to cross the road, ma'am. This is not a right place to cross the road. This is not a place for pedestrians to cross the road. The people in that area insisting her, but see her reply. But she replied, I am going to walk where I like. Okay, I am going to, it is my liberty. See, we have got liberty now. We have living in liberty country. Okay, we have got freedom. So I have rights to walk anywhere. ஓகே, இப்படி நாங்கள் சுதந்திரம் வாங்கிட்டோம், எங்கே போகிறதுக்கும் எனக்கு இது இருக்குது அப்படின்னு சொன்னால் வாட் இஸ் திஸ்? Okay, it will become foolish, right? She is telling like that only. And it did not occur the dear old lady that if liberty entitled the pedestrian to walk down the middle of the road, then the end of the such liberty would be universal chaos. So that old lady, okay, avangalukku it didn't occur in her mind, avangalukku thonave illa that if each and everyone takes their personal liberty, and if we try to accommodate with the private, I mean public liberty, what will happen? It will become a universal chaos. Chaos means confusion, commotion. Okay, எந்த இடத்துல நம்மளோட personal liberty யூஸ் பண்ணணுமோ there we should use. We should not use in all the places. If we interfere with public liberty, what will happen? It will create a universal chaos. For example, if that old lady is going like this, what will happen? A great accident will happen. Okay, if the great accident will happen, nobody can reach their place at a right time. Okay, எல்லாருக்குமே இது குழப்பம், எல்லாருக்குமே கன்ஃபியூஷன், அண்ட் ஒன் டே ஃபுல்லி வில் பி வேஸ்டட். ஓகே, இப்போ அவங்க பாட்டுக்கு அவங்களோட பெடஸ்ட்ரியன் வாக்கில் பிளேஸில் நடந்து போனாங்கன்னா எவ்ரிபடி வில் ரீச் தேயர் பிளேஸ் இன் ரைட் டைம். தட் லைஃப் வில் பி கோயிங் வெரி ஸ்மூத்லி. Right, so I hope you can understand the theme of the lesson. Okay, first paragraph I hope you can understand. Okay, we'll move to the second paragraph. Okay, everybody would be getting in everybody else. Okay, everybody would be getting in everybody else way and nobody would get anywhere. A wonderful line. Okay, everybody, if everybody involved in everybody's ways, what will happen? யாருமே அவங்க பிளேஸ்க்கு போய் ரீச் ஆகவே முடியாது. It will create a big commotion. And individual liberty would have become social anarchy. So individual liberty, I means that our personal liberty, if we take in this way like that old lady, what will happen? It will create us a social anarchy. Social or arajagam, okay va, or so social confusion it will bring. And there is a danger of the world getting liberty drunk in these days like the old lady with the basket, and it is just as well to remind ourselves of what the rule of the road means. So that Gardiner is coming to say that like that old lady, okay, like that old lady, so many people they have liberty drunk. Liberty drunk na அந்த சுதந்திர போதை. ஓகேவா, நம்ம சுதந்திரம் வாங்கிட்டோம், ஃப்ரீடம் வாங்கிட்டோம், we can live in this world as our wish அப்படின்னு நிறைய பேர் இருக்காங்க. Like that old lady, if each and everyone take their individual liberty and if they try to connect their individual liberty with the social liberty na, what will happen? It will create a big problem. So from this, so what we have to do, you have to understand from that small matter, what small matter, what the rule of the road means. So இங்க இருந்து நீங்க தெரிஞ்சுக்கணும், எங்க எப்படி இருக்கணுமோ அங்க அப்படி தான் இருக்கணும். You have to understand the rules of the road, then only everything will be going proper. All right, and next, it means that in order that the liberties of all may be preserved, the liberties of everybody must be curtailed. See, each and everyone's liberty must be preserved. Preserve na enna? பாதுகாக்கபடணும். When? எப்படி? When and how? The liberties of everybody must be curtailed. What do you mean by curtailed? Very, very, very important synonym. Curtailed means reduced. Okay, that individual liberty, it must be reduced. Okay, where, in which place, எங்க எப்படி இருக்கணும், இங்க இப்படி தான் இருக்கணும்னா அங்க அப்படி தான் இருக்கணும். அப்படி இருந்தா மட்டுமே we can preserve, we can save all the people liberties. Right, wonderful line. See, that everybody's liberty, that individual liberty must be reduced, then only we can safe, we can preserve our individual liberty, each and every people's liberty. So be careful in that. Okay, okay. Next, when the policemen say, that one example author has given, when the policemen say at Piccadilly Circus, Piccadilly Circus is a name of the place, steps into the middle of the road and puts out his hand, he is the symbol not of tyranny but of liberty. So just imagine, there was a traffic policeman. Okay, he is just standing in a Piccadilly Circus. Okay, Piccadilly Circus is the name of the place. There என்ன சொல்றது, ரொம்ப traffic நிறைஞ்ச இடம். Okay, there he is standing and he is controlling all the vehicles and he is giving way to the vehicles. Okay, and here you can raise a question. He is also a human being, but he is standing in the middle of the road and nobody is scolding him, but we are scolding that old lady that you should not go in the middle of the road அப்படின்னு சொல்றோம். Okay, ஏன் அப்படி சொல்றோம்? Okay, why for him, why it is not applicable? Okay, and that author is telling that don't think that he is என்ன சொல்ல வராங்க, he is the symbol of liberty, not of tyranny. டைரனினா என்ன? ஆட்டோக்ரேசி, தட் சர்வாதிகாரம். ஓகே, அராஜகம். இவரை போய் ஐயோ அவங்களுக்கு இப்படி இவங்களுக்கு இப்படின்னு டோன்ட் திங்க் தட். ஓகே, ஹீ இஸ் த சிம்பிள் ஆஃப் லிபர்ட்டி. வி கேன் கிவ் தட் ஃப்ரீடம், லிபர்ட்டி டு தட் பர்டிகுலர் டிராஃபிக் போலீஸ்மேன் டு கண்ட்ரோல் த ஹோல் சொசைட்டி. ஓகே, அவர் கண்ட்ரோல் பண்ணால் மட்டும்தான் தட் எவ்ரிபடிஸ் இண்டிவிஜுவல் லிபர்ட்டி வில் பி சேவ். Okay, will be saved. So understand that wonderful line, steps in the middle of the road and puts out his hand. He is the symbol not of tyranny. Tyranny என்ன? ஒரு சர்வாதிகார, ஒரு அராஜகத்துக்கான சிம்பிள் கிடையாது. But he is the symbol but of liberty. He is the symbol of liberty. Why? Why? See, if he is not arranging the vehicles, what will happen? What will happen? Nobody can reach their destination. Okay, it will create a great commotion. Okay, அரேஞ்ச் பண்ண யாருமே இல்லைன்னா அவன் அங்கிட்டு இஷ்டத்துக்கு போனானா எவனுமே எங்கேயும் போய் ரீச் ஆக முடியாது. ரைட், அப்போ இந்த இடத்துல we must say he is the symbol of liberty. So understand the difference between the traffic policeman and the common or else ordinary human being. Next, and you may ask, you may not think so. Okay, some people அப்படிலாம் கிடையாது அப்படின்னு நீங்கள் சொல்லலாம். But you may, being in a hurry and seeing your car pulled up by his insolence of office. Okay, you are very hurry in your work. Okay, you just want to reach your destination in time. அந்த டைம் பார்த்து வந்து ஒரு டிராஃபிக் போலீஸ்மேன் வந்து உன்னை ஸ்டாப் பண்ணி ரொம்ப ரூடாக நடந்துக்கிட்டாருன்னா, you may feel that your liberty has been outraged. outrage na, you will have okay, you will have got angry, உனக்கு கோவம் வரும். How dare, and you will say, how dare this fellow interfere with air free use of the public highway. And what he, that particular man என்ன சொல்லுவான், எப்படி இந்த policeman, the traffic policeman, how dare he stop me and how dare he interfere with my own liberty அப்படின்னு you may ask. Then if you are a reasonable person, you may ask, உண்மையிலே நீ ஒரு அறிவுள்ள ஆளா இருந்தேனா, if you are a reasonable, okay, knowledgeable, if you are a knowledgeable person, you will reflect that if he did not interfere with you, he would interfere with no one. If you are a knowledgeable, if you are a brainful person, you will understand that if that particular traffic policeman did not interfere in these people's travel, and nobody can interfere with what he is coming to say, everybody will meet a commotion only, okay, confusion only. So he is the right person and he has to be in that place to arrange the vehicles, okay. And he would interfere with no one, and the result would be that Piccadilly Circus would be a maelstrom that you would never cross at all. So if you are a knowledgeable person, you will understand that that maelstrom means a commotion. If that particular traffic policeman, if he is not there, what will happen, that the people will not cross that particular road at all, okay. அவர் செக் பண்ணி உன்னை அனுப்புறதுனால you may reach your destination 10 minutes or 15 minutes or later you can reach. But அவர் இல்லைனா what will happen, நீ அந்த இடத்தை ரீச் பண்ணவே முடியாது. that much commotion will be occurred. And you have submitted to a curtailment of private liberty in order that you may see, you have submitted to a curtailment of private liberty in order that you may enjoy a social order which makes your liberty a reality. So what he is coming to say, so you have to curtail, you have to reduce your individual liberty, then only you can enjoy the social liberty. So this one will become a real liberty, okay. So what he is coming to say through in this paragraph, we have to reduce, we have to curtail our individual liberty to enjoy social liberty, right?